going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Spooky, man. I'm back with another video. Today's video is gonna be a very special one. So I'm on the way to a little spot to do some compare and contrast of the stock exhaust with the catless mid muffler delete and resonant delete. Cause tomorrow will be the first performance mod done on this car. Well, the second. It's the second performance mod done on this car, but first big one. But I'm getting the LongTube headers put on tomorrow. So part one of this video is basically going to be some warm starts. I'm already in the car now, so some warm starts, some revving, and some flybys. So I'm on my way to this little spot that I found a couple days ago. It's a pretty nice little closed off spot, so I'm gonna head over there so I can get some good footage for y'all. Make sure y'all go follow the car page at 64_spooky. If you're new to the channel, please watch all the footage so that way you can catch up to what's up to date with the car and everything like that. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, you share, you comment. I like all the feedback, guys. I like all the feedback. Makes me, make sure that way I can put out the next video better than the last one, you know what I'm saying? If you're returning, I appreciate it. I appreciate the continual support by everybody, to all the teams and everything like that. Everyone that's sponsored me, everyone that's played a part in this build, I highly appreciate it, because we would not be where we at without all of y'all support. So when I get to the spot, I'm gonna turn on the camera. I'm gonna turn the camera back on when I get there, so that way we can go ahead and get in this American muscle sound and letting this thing open up a little bit. So y'all enjoy the introduction. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I just pulled up to the spot. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into the video. Well, the purpose of this first part of the video, so go ahead and give you guys a good little cold start, well, not cold start, warm start, and a couple of flybys and things like that. Like I said earlier in the video, this is basically me comparing the exhaust that I have on there now, which is catless mid pipes from Stainless Works, regular stock, OEM X pipe, mid muffler delete, and resonant delete. And then after I put the headers on, I'm gonna give you guys another sound clip of a warm start with that one. I'm gonna try to get a cold start in there. I'm gonna try my best to, I promise. I'm gonna try my best to put a cold start in there. If not, I'm gonna put a warm start in there, and then the same thing, a couple of flybys and things of that nature. So make sure y'all stay in tune, make sure y'all stay alert, make sure y'all doing whatever y'all gotta do. This is gonna be a good, interesting video. So if you're looking at going with LongTube headers, catless mid pipes and things of that nature, this video will be very informative for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down. I'm gonna angle it at a good point, or at a good view, so that way you can get all of the exhaust sounds and sound clips, and it's all naturally aspirated glory. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we back, man. It's the next day, and today is finally the day, man. I'm gonna go ahead and head over to the exhaust shop right now to put these headers on. Man, I can't wait. I've been waiting on this day for the longest. So on the time being, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all the last little cold start of the current exhaust on the channel. Woo, it's gonna get way louder than that, man. I can't wait. I'm excited. As you can see, I went with hookers and a back seat right now. I'm gonna try to show y'all them once I get to the shop. So y'all stay tuned. Be on the lookout for the sound clips later on in the video. It's gonna be a big one. It's gonna be epic. We're making power now, so let's get it, man. Stay tuned for this road to 500 horsepower. That's what I'm gonna call this little journey right now. The road to 500 horsepower. And once we get there, we'll continue to climb on up, you know. So remember, like, share, subscribe. New to the channel, subscribe. Old to the channel, thank you. So on and so forth. You already know what I'm about to say. Everything I say, all videos, every video. Follow the car page, _spooky. You already know what's going on. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So I'm at the shop now. We got the car on the lift. Finna give y'all a good little sneak peek of the headers, and then what we're taking out. So as I stated, I went with the hookers. Those are the headers that I went with. And then take them out the bag real fast.
You got all the camera stuff?
Yeah.
I got a drone that I've been trying to get rid of. It's a 3DR Solo. It's one of them GPS guided deals. My buddy actually uses it for real estate. You can like map out, let it fly around the house and whatnot.
Oh, that's dope.
I've been trying to let it go. It's got a hella expensive ass gimbal, so the picture stays absolutely perfect. I got 2 controllers for it and everything. I've been trying to get 300 out of the whole setup with a backpack case and all.
That's not bad at all.
You got O2 ramp?
Me?
Yeah.
Negative salary, but
So yeah, go ahead and let y'all know this is the exhaust shop. So if you're in the Washington area, make sure you hit them up. This is the best exhaust shop to come to in Washington. You didn't hear from me, you can hear from everybody else. Everybody can vouch for them. I'm gonna vouch for them because they've done all my exhaust work on my car. And they will continue to do all my exhaust work because I trust them and they are very fucking reliable and they're very fucking cool people. So make sure y'all stay tuned because we're about to wake the beast up today. What's going on, y'all? So we back. I'm on the way to go pick up the car now. The headers are done. Like I said, I got it installed at Pro Street Exhaust and Customs. So if you're in the Washington area, make sure you hit them up. I'm in the wife's, what do you call it? The Hippo Mobile. Right? The car. Nah, motherfucker, you call this shit. It's the fucking Durango. She called it a Hippo Mobile. So that's what it's known as, the Hippo Mobile. So we riding around in the Hippo Mobile. She got the thug in it. Why are you hiding your face? You trying to show your nails off?
No, they're not done. Hint.
Anyway, we on the way to go pick up the car now. I got a couple of video clips on it. It sounds loud, but pretty sure it sounds way different in person because a lot of times camera don't do no justice. So once we get there, I'll check back in with y'all. All right, y'all, so I just got back to pick the car up, and when I tell you I'm excited, I'm happy. It sounds just like an American muscle car should. Once again, shouts out to Pro Street Exhaust and Customs for doing this for me. Niggas gonna rev it up for me a couple times so you guys can get a couple of sneak peeks of the rev. Hey, y'all stay tuned for the flybys. Stay tuned for the flybys. All right, y'all, so I'm at the same spot that I did the revs and the flybys with at that time. That's when I had the catless mid pipes and just the mid muffler delete and resonate delete. This time I'm gonna give y'all the same exact thing, but with the hooker long tube headers and the hooker catless mid pipes with the mid muffler delete and resonate delete. Before I do this though, I want to stress, don't just put long tube headers on your car and not tune it. For one, you're not gonna get the benefits of the headers. 2, you're gonna run either too lean or too rich. 3, you will have a CEL. I will say that you will have a check engine light on your car. So if you plan on getting LongTube headers and don't want to tune it, I just hope you're good with having the check engine light on your car. So because with that check engine light, you can cold start it, you can remote start it, but it's only gonna last about 7 seconds. So there's no point in doing that. If you're gonna put this on there, you spent the money to get the headers, you might as well go ahead and get it tuned so that way you can get all the benefits. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this warm start. It's not a cold start, but you know, warm start in, some revs, and then some flybys.
Few moments later.
All right, y'all, so that's going to conclude today's video. Like I said, man, big shouts out to Pro Street Exhaust and Customs here in Washington for installing the headers for me. Shouts out to Hookers for the LongTube headers and the mid pipes. So yeah, I get a little sneak peek of how it sounds in the interior. Me personally, I don't mind drones, so that's just my personal preference. It doesn't bother me at all. So for some people, like if you get LongTube headers with catless mid pipes and you don't want the drone, just go buy like a muffler or something that way to get rid of the drone of. The best way to get rid of that drone is gonna get you a all tuning, the Resonated Touring Edition. It has the 360 drone canceling technology mufflers, things like that. So shouts out to AWE Tuning. My exhaust will be here pretty soon, so I can't wait to hear how these headers sound with the AWE Tour Track Edition. So I went with that specific one because I want raw sound. But we'll see how long I last with the drone until I go get the touring mufflers. So we'll see. But like I said, this concludes the video. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, hit that bell, follow the car page at 64_spooky. We got more fire on the way, more bangers on the way, you know, things like that. So I got also a little very special video coming soon. I went to a video shoot a couple weeks ago with Oasis Car Film crew out here in Washington as well. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that video because it's gonna be a movie. Make sure y'all go check out his their YouTube channel. I'll place their information down below. But without further ado, man, it's your boy Spooky, and I'm out.